welcome to our Wrocław Digital Lab. I'm Peter, and simplifying complexity is my superpower. I'm here today to tell you a story. This is the backend of our product, the product that we've been developing since the first day A4BEE was set in motion. Since the beginning, we had a clear goal. We want to become a digital product company. Our current business model is being a consulting agency. We are consultants for leaders in biomanufacturing and manufacturing industries. This is what really sets us apart from many of our competitors, and that's why we are setting the bar for ourselves high, by developing a digital solution that will be able to address not only current, but also future needs of manufacturing industries. We know that the industrial processes will change dramatically in the matter of the next 5 years, and we are leader of that change with our biggest clients. Market trends and market growth prove that automation and robotization play and continue to play a crucial role in this transformation. AI will take over decision-making in many more complex fields. Production lines will need to be modular and flexible to meet the unprecedented pressure that the new technologies are putting on the process side. We know that there's no one technology that will be able to cover it all. However, we also know that no matter what the technology will be, it will need to be fed with data. That's why we decided to focus on this one common point: data connectivity. Data connectivity is the foundation of any industrial manufacturing-grade digital solution. And this is what the A4BEE Industrial IoT Gateway Platform is. A technology enabler providing any digital solution with high-quality data from your devices. The biggest challenge with any Industry 4.0 solution is that the value is often hidden and takes long time to see. That's why our technical architecture and deployment strategy is designed to provide customers with the value fast, in the matter of days post-implementation. We are able to achieve that through the small step approach. We start by collecting data from the customer's current devices by using built-in data transmission protocols. Right now, Maciek will guide you through the latest implementation.
I am Maciej Jarkowski, Tech Lead for the latest implementation of the A4BEE Industrial IoT Gateway Platform. Our latest implementation in Yaskawa helps process operators in identifying anomalies in industrial robots. Thanks to this, we are able to save dozens of hours on root cause detection by providing maintenance workers with exact information about the location and cause of the issue. This contributes to raising the OEE factor, meaning overall equipment effectiveness. Let me show you how this use case is being implemented on the A4BEE Industrial IoT Gateway Platform. Let's start with a graphic user interface tailor-made for humans, not robots. This one was prepared for the implementation purposes of a Yaskawa site in Wrocław, Poland. Here is one place to monitor the status, production, and diagnostic data of all your connected devices. Any anomaly that may interrupt or even freeze your production will be visible here, with exact information about the location and cause of the issue. If you won't be looking at the screen, we prepared a notification feature that will show up relevant information on your mobile device using standard system notification engine. Did we mention that everything that you saw here can be done from your home? We believe that secured remote access is a feature that is a must in the new reality that we have found ourselves in. We are going to deploy the same use case at an automotive production site from April 7th.
What are our next steps? We are ramping up the resources and continue to improve our product with a great focus on enriched data format that will provide any AI ML-based solution with high-quality datasets. From commercial perspective, we are leveraging our partnership with Yaskawa and leveraging the market entry and access to their customers, and we are ready for the next big implementation. In all of that, we really need your help. and we would love to be part of MIT Acceleration Program. Thank you.